Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Bright Knowledge. Today's topic is on how to get rid of smelly feet. Foot odor, also known as bromodosis, is a common condition that affects many people. It can be embarrassing and uncomfortable, and may even affect your social life or work interactions. Fortunately, there are many effective ways to prevent and treat foot odor, from practicing good hygiene to using antiperspirants and foot powders. In this video we'll explore the various causes of foot odor and provide practical tips on how to get rid of it for good. So, let's get started and say goodbye to smelly feet. Smelly feet, also known as foot odor, are a common problem that affects many people. It is caused by the accumulation of sweat on the feet, which creates an ideal environment for bacteria to grow and thrive. Foot odor can be embarrassing and unpleasant, but there are ways to prevent and treat it. In this video, we will discuss the causes of smelly feet and how to get rid of them. Causes of smelly feet. Sweating. Sweating is a natural process that helps regulate body temperature. However, excessive sweating, especially on the feet, can lead to the growth of bacteria and the development of foot odor. The bacteria break down the sweat and produce a foul odor. Poor hygiene, such as not washing your feet regularly or wearing dirty socks and shoes, can contribute to foot odor. The bacteria thrive in warm, moist environments, so it's important to keep your feet clean and dry. Footwear. Wearing shoes and socks made of non-breathable materials can cause the feet to sweat excessively, leading to foot odor. Additionally, shoes that are too tight or don't fit properly can also contribute to the problem. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions can cause foot odor, such as hyperhidrosis, excessive sweating, diabetes, and athlete's foot. If you have a medical condition that is causing foot odor, it's important to talk to your doctor about treatment options. How to get rid of smelly feet. Practice good hygiene. One of the most effective ways to prevent and treat foot odor is to practice good hygiene. This includes washing your feet daily with soap and water and drying them thoroughly afterward. Be sure to pay special attention to the area between your toes, as this is where bacteria and sweat can accumulate. Wear breathable shoes and socks to prevent excessive sweating. Wear shoes and socks made of breathable materials, such as cotton or leather. Avoid wearing shoes that are too tight or don't fit properly, as they can cause your feet to sweat more. Use foot powders and antiperspirants. Foot powders and antiperspirants can help to absorb moisture and prevent the growth of bacteria on the feet. Look for products that contain ingredients such as baking soda, cornstarch, or aluminum chloride. Soak your feet in tea. Tea contains tannic acid, which can help to kill bacteria and reduce foot odor. To use this method, steep 5 tea bags in a quart of boiling water for 5 minutes. Allow the water to cool to a comfortable temperature, then soak your feet in the solution for 30 minutes. Apply essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as tea tree oil and peppermint oil, have antimicrobial properties that can help to kill bacteria and reduce foot odor. Dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and apply to the feet before bed. Change your shoes and socks frequently to prevent the buildup of bacteria and sweat. Change your shoes and socks frequently. Avoid wearing the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row, and wash your socks after each use. Use baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that can help to absorb moisture and neutralize foot odor. Sprinkle baking soda in your shoes and socks before wearing them, or mix it with water to create a foot soak. Try foot soaks. Soaking your feet in warm water can help to soften the skin and reduce foot odor. Add a cup of Epsom salt or a few drops of essential oil to the water for added benefits. Use vinegar. Vinegar has antimicrobial properties that can help to kill bacteria and reduce foot odor. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water, and soak your feet in the solution for 15 minutes. Wear socks with odor-reducing technology. There are socks on the market that are designed to reduce foot odor. Look for socks made with materials like silver or copper, which have antimicrobial properties. Maintain a healthy diet. What you eat can also affect the smell of your feet. Eating a diet high in sugar and processed foods can lead to increased sweating and foot odor. Eating a healthy diet that is high in fruits and vegetables can help to reduce foot odor. Use a UV shoe sanitizer. UV shoe sanitizers use ultraviolet light to kill bacteria and fungi in shoes, which can help to reduce foot odor. Simply place the device in your shoes and let it run for the recommended amount of time. Consider prescription medications. In severe cases of foot odor, prescription medications may be necessary. Your doctor may prescribe an oral medication or a topical cream to help reduce sweating and kill bacteria. Practice foot stretches and exercises. Stretching and exercising the muscles in your feet can help to improve circulation and reduce sweating. Try rolling a tennis ball under your foot or doing toe curls to strengthen the muscles in your feet. See a doctor if you have tried these methods and are still experiencing foot odor. It's important to see a doctor. They may recommend prescription-strength antiperspirants or other treatments to help alleviate the problem. In conclusion, smelly feet can be caused by a variety of factors, including excessive sweating, poor hygiene, and medical conditions. However, there are many effective ways to prevent and treat foot odor, including practicing good hygiene, wearing breathable shoes and socks, using foot powders and antiperspirants, soaking your feet in tea or vinegar, and trying prescription medications if necessary. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can enjoy fresh-smelling, healthy feet. We hope that these tips and tricks will help you combat smelly feet and improve your foot hygiene. Remember, maintaining healthy feet is not only important for your personal hygiene, but it can also prevent the development of certain medical conditions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Bright Knowledge for more informative videos on health and wellness. Thank you for watching.